Hey everybody, got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the CAT S41. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off this phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. Also guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these coming up on the hard resets. And if you want to see something special, just drop a comment on which model you need help with and we'll try to get that for you sooner than later. But let's jump right into this. So first thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off, and in this case it is. You have your power button, volume up, volume down, got the action button on this side. What we want to do is hold volume up and power at the same time. Start off by holding volume up first and then hit the power button. It does take a second sometimes to load, but once it does turn on, you can let go of power but keep holding volume up. And then we're right into our Android recovery. And then from here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. That went too far. Hit the power button. Then it says yes or no. We want to hit yes because we want to delete everything. So now it's deleting. Now it's done. And now we can either reboot it or power it off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. But if you did reboot it, it would just load to the welcome screen, and you could set up the phone how it was when it was new. But that is how we do a hard reset on a CAT S41. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, would definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.